Welcome students in my YouTube channel Chemistry Dangal. In practical series, as you learn about the detection of zero group, first group, second group of basic radicals. Today we learn about the identification of third group of basic radicals. In third group, there are two important cations, aluminium 3 positive ion and Fe3 positive ion. So first we identify the group third and then a particular cation Fe3 positive ion or Al3 positive ion. So for the students of ISC board class 12 and for the students of ISC board class 11, both can identify this group third and the basic radicals of this group very easily. Let me start the experiment for third group of basic radicals. First of all, take a small amount of the salt in the test tube. A small amount of the salt in the test tube and then add dilute HCl. This is dilute HCl. On addition of dilute HCl, it has been observed that salt is dissolved but no precipitate is formed, and then heat and cool for the identification of first group. On heating and on cooling, it has been observed that there is no precipitate is formed. That is, it is confirmed that first group of basic radicals is absent here. So we go for the identification of second group of basic radicals by passing H2S gas in the solution. In place of H2S, we can add H2S water. H2S water means H2S gases passes distilled water, then it is H2S water. And on adding H2S water in the solution, we can observe that there is no precipitate formed. If precipitate is formed here on addition of H2S, second group will be present, but there is no precipitate formed, that is second group is also absent here. Now we go for the identification of third group of basic radicals. For identification of third group of basic radicals, what we do? First of all, boil the solution. Why it is boiled? So that the H2S gas passed should be removed. H2S gas passed should be removed. You can see here. After boiling, add few drops of concentrated HNO3. After addition of concentrated HNO3, heat and cool the solution. Heat and then cool the solution by taking 10-15 minutes. After cooling the solution, add a pinch of ammonium chloride in the solution and then add ammonium hydroxide in the excess till the smell of ammonia comes out. And you can see on addition of ammonium hydroxide in excess, a reddish brown precipitate is formed. Then the formation of precipitate confirms that third group is present here. Here in third group, two radicals are given in your syllabus. First is Fe3 positive ion and second is Al3 positive ion. And if the precipitate form is of red brown color, it may be Fe3 positive ion, and if the precipitate is of white color, then it may be Al3 positive ion. So by the identification of color of the precipitate, it is reddish brown, then we can think about the Fe3 positive ion. Now we can go for the test of Fe3 positive ion from this precipitate. So, dissolve the precipitate in dilute HCl. Dilute HCl. On addition of dilute HCl, the precipitate gets dissolved. You can see the precipitate get dissolved and a clear solution is obtained. Now, divide this solution in two parts. And we can test for Fe3 positive ion. In first part, add K4FeCN whole 6, that is potassium ferrocyanide. A deep blue precipitate, deep blue color or deep blue precipitate is formed. You can see it confirms the presence of Fe3 positive ion in the given salt. Then in second part of the solution, add potassium thiocyanate in the solution. And you can see a red color is obtained, blood red color. Blood red color is obtained, confirms the presence of Fe3 positive ion in the given salt. So here we can identify Fe3 positive ion in the given salt. I think you all understand about the identification of third group of basic radicals and identification of Fe3 positive ion in the given salt. So if you satisfied by this practical and you think that video is helpful for you, like it, share it. If you are new on the channel, then subscribe it and tell your friends to subscribe it so that latest notifications of the new videos will be available, so you can get the latest notifications of the new videos. Thank you and have a nice day.